almost impossible to be a non-traditional student and not have a busy schedule. First of all, you have your family, maybe with a little baby demanding your attention and care, your job, with a boss adding more responsibilities, and friends and hobbies you don't want to leave behind.
The College Disruptor.
Hi, I'm Santiago from Great Hacker. Helping non-traditional students is our #1 priority because we know how hard it can be to be in that position. Here are 5 tips you need to know to succeed as a non-traditional student. Our first tip is to always aim for your long-term goal. Focus on your classes and assignments, but never forget what is waiting for you at the end of the road. A new degree that will take you to new places and better job opportunities. The second tip applies if you want to keep everything up. Organization is key. Assignments will keep coming in, and the first mistake many students make is waiting for the last days to start them. But you can avoid it by setting a schedule. Try to dedicate 1 or 2 hours daily throughout the week to reading and studying. Establish a time that you know you can focus entirely on college. Third, we have the importance of having the perfect space to study. If you don't have a safe space where you can disconnect from the external world, clear your head, and focus only on your studies, you'll have a hard time at college. It can be in your house, a library, or a cafe, but it has to be someplace where you feel comfortable. And once you find it, make it your own. You'll feel much better and more concentrated on your assignments. Our next tip is a big one, and it's taking care of your physical and mental health. Never, for your health's sake, put college before you. We know it's a huge bummer not to deliver a paper on time or abandon a class a few weeks after starting because you don't have the time for it. If you take the time to step back, breathe, and get better, you'll feel more energized and focused on achieving outstanding academic performance. And remember, you can always talk to your professors and ask for a time off or plan in advance if there is any class you know you won't have the time for. Our final tip is not to be ashamed and know you can get help when you need it. The more support you have, the more you will be able to manage your time and study effectively. The important thing here is that you are not the only one who wants you to finish this journey with a diploma in your hand. Know when to ask for help, and you'll see that this challenging experience is not as hard as you thought. So continue to push yourself and achieve all your personal goals. We hope this video helped you. Share your experience in the comments. Let us know which was the most challenging part and how rewarding it was to get to the end. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you're looking for more writing tips, learn the best hacks to write your argumentative essay, or check out which are the best websites and apps for college students like you.